Now this is BTCUSD on 4-hour time frame. So looking at the market is on a clear bullish trend to get as it's creating higher high and then higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. And this is the next higher low, right? So we want to confirm if the smart money are ready to push this market beyond this current high, if they are ready to push this market beyond this current high or not. That is what we want to confirm now. So looking at this market now, we see that a valid retracement have been established. This is the last bullish candle that this market printed before bearish, before seller step in. Do you get? Before seller step in. So looking at this now, you see that seller have already engulfed these candles. They have engulfed this bullish already. Sellers have engulfed this bullish candle. Can you see? They have engulfed this bullish candle, retrace, and they are even coming down already. It signifies a valid retracement. And whenever a valid retracement is established, such market is meant to come to the equilibrium of that particular time frame, of that particular market in that particular time frame. To get all right, and this is the equilibrium. You don't need to stress yourself. You just need to take the difference between the current high of the market and then the lows of the market, which is the premiums and then the discount. You get? So this is the current current equilibrium where buyers and sellers come together to decide where next to push the price to. So from this particular time frame, which is 4 hours, we are expecting smart money to push this market to the equilibrium before they will not decide where next to push the price to. This is the equilibrium, the meeting point, the decision point where sellers and buyers come together to decide if the price is fair enough to buy from here or if the seller will continue push the price forward. Me and you know very well that where this price is now is at the peak already. Is at the peak. So buying this market around this place, some people are still buying, but buying this market around this place, you are buying at a very high rate. You are buying at a very high rate. Do you get? So let's watch BTC and see. But what I'm seeing here, because the valid retracement have been established, I'm expecting this BTC to push down here, before it will not push up again. If smart money are ready to push it forward again. But now I think we should be expecting a drop down on BTC to this equilibrium. Yeah, what is your opinion? On BTC? What do you think? Are you still buying or you are positioned to sell it to this equilibrium? Mind you, coming to this equilibrium is still a retracement, but is a deep retracement that someone can do a counter trading. Do you get? You can actually do a counter trading because this is 4 hour time frame. So if you go back to 1 hour time frame, you see what happened next. 1 hour should be opposite of 4 hour. Do you get? 1 hour should give us opposite trend. Can you see? Now 1 hour is giving us a change of delivery already. Do you get? It's giving us a change of market structure. You see, it's not creating a lower low and then lower high, lower low. You see, it's now making a form of changing of structure already. Do you get? It's changing structure. Now somebody that is trading on 1 hour time frame, you can actually consider this as a trend. If this market come down all the way here, you can consider it as a trend, but it's a deep retracement on this 4 hour time frame. Do you get? Is a deep retracement. We call it a deep retracement on this 4 hour time frame. It's when this market break below this equilibrium. Let me show you. Is when this market break below this equilibrium, that is when you can see the directions have changed on this particular time frame, which is the 4 hour time frame that we are targeting. Now my network is disturbing, so the market is not opening quick now. So let's see. So if you are looking on this particular time frame, is when this market break below this, then we can consider it a downtrend now. But as far as it's still trading above this equilibrium, buyers are still in control.